everybody, welcome back. Today I'm doing a packing video with my AZARIA brand bag, and today I'm going to be packing it without pouches, just so you guys can see how this bag works without them, because I know not a lot of moms want to or do use the pouches. So I'm going to be doing that for you guys, and I'm just going to get started. So on this outside pocket, I'm actually going to keep my umbrella. It's supposed to be raining today, and I want to be prepared for that. And on the opposite side, I'm gonna put my daughter's sippy. And in this side zip pocket will be where my wallet goes. Really fast, really easy, you guys. Lip products in this main slip. And also my phone, just like that. The back side does have a back slip pocket, but I'm not going to pack anything in there. Usually when I'm out and about, things will end up in there, just whatever my kids hand me. And let's get into the main compartment. So I'm going to start with the side pockets. So on this one, I'm going to put a spare change of clothes for my little one. And then on the opposite side, I will be putting stuff when we go out to eat. Just shove it in the pouch. And there we go, change of clothes. And there's my daughter in the background, and there's this stuff for when we go out to eat. And then this main mesh in the front of the bag will be her snacks. So we got some crackers, these little Teddy Graham thingies, yogurt raisins, and these are blueberry crisp. I actually just put them inside of a pencil case just because I don't want them to get smashed. Smashed snacks are no good. And there we go, right there. And then just thrown into the main center part, I'm just gonna put her little book right there. And then this mesh, this isn't mesh, this little slip pocket here with the magnetic closure is where I'm gonna put her diapers. Sometimes I might even put it in this front mesh pocket, but today I'm gonna put it in there. So I got my wipes, her changing pad, and 2 pull-ups. There. And it does stay shut with that magnetic closure. And then the last pocket there, that zippered pocket, I'm just gonna put some tissues, hand sanitizer, Tylenol, and the disposable little baggies. I'm gonna throw that in there too. And that's what that looks like in there. And of course, the key leash that comes with the bag, I will clip my keys on, but I always throw it on the outside so I can reach it easily. And that's it, you guys. Very easy. I do have another packing video on this bag, I think 2 others, and I did use pouches with those, and so this one is packed a little bit differently without the pouches so you guys can see. I like it. It still keeps me organized. These pockets are really great, very functional. I like them a lot. This bag is great. And I love that even with the outside pockets being full, I'm still able to use the inside pockets. It's not tight, it's still really roomy. This bag is fantastic. I'm so glad I got one. And that's what that looks like with the key leash out. And there you guys have it, that's it. It does come with attached messenger straps. I will be attaching that before I leave the house. And that is it, you guys. And it's really exciting. They are going to restock the chestnut color. This one is camel and the chestnut is a darker brown. Really excited for that. And you guys, their new colors are releasing really soon. The dusty rose and French blue. So excited. So if you guys were really wanting to get the new colors of the chestnut shade, please consider shopping. My affiliate link, I'll leave that down below. I'm really excited about this, you guys. I can't wait to see what the pink looks like. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, thanks for watching.